Hello children, and welcome to Basic 3 Basic Science class. My name is Igwe Livinus Santiti, and our topic is soil. Soil is our topic today. Soil. Soil is a non-living thing. Soil is a non-living thing. And soil is the outermost layer of the Earth's surface. Soil is the outermost layer of the Earth's surface. Let's see the components. The components of the soil. There are 5 basic components of the soil in respect to basic 3. 1 component of soil. 1, we have sandy. 2, we have loamy. 3, we have clay. 4, we have water. 5, we have air. These are the components of soil. And soil is good for plants and is still good for animals. Let's see the importance of soil to plants. Importance of soil to plants. Importance of soil to plants. Yes. Importance of soil to plants. Plants. 1, soil is the origin of nutrients. Soil is the origin of nutrients. Example of such nutrients. Examples are: 1, we have minerals. We have air. We have water. These nutrients can hang to make plants grow, but they will be on soil. It means that this soil now is a home that carries these nutrients. Next one is, this soil is serving as a home to some organisms, like we have bacteria, we have fungi. Those bacteria plays great role in plant production. Next one, soil is always the place that we bury waste product from plants that is harmful to our body. Examples is gum from plants. They are very bad product, very harmful to our health. Next one is rotten substance, like rotten tomato. It's not good for your health. So you can only bury it on the ground so that it will be there and decay, and you won't see it again. Those things mentioned are the importance of soil to the plants. Let's see the importance of soil to animals. Importance of soil to animals. Importance of soil to animals. To animals. Animals. 1, soil is a home to many animals. Example, earthworm, rats. Those animals can't live on earth. It's only soil that they will be. That is their home. So it serves as a home to some animals. 2, soil is the source of building materials, like the clay used to make brick. Next is that soil is the main supporting agent or organ that most animals stand to make a point or to move. Now, let's see the things made from soil. Things made from soil. One is ceramics. Do you know ceramics? Ceramics might be plates, wash hand basin, or toilet seat. They are from soil, clay soil. And next one is concrete. Concrete is sand, and sand is a component of soil, plus cement and water. Even stone mixed together will give you concrete. Those mentioned are the products from soil. So with this now, you've seen what is called soil, the meaning of soil, and the components of soil, and the importance of soil to both plants and animal. Thank you. As you listen next time, same station, Den of Knowledge. Bye-bye.